What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up the VPS for your own website on your hosting service. So basically VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, which is basically a server dedicated for your website. Now there is another type of servers which are like shared servers where you can share the server with other users. Of course this costs a bit less money. However, if you want to have a server dedicated for your website only, you need to invest in a VPS. So you need to go to your hosting provider. In my case, I am here on Hostinger. However, it'll be the same for any hosting provider, and many hosting servers or service providers offer VPS service, such as the Bluehost, GoDaddy, amongst others. So here it's pretty simple. If I go to Hostinger right here, I go here to VPS. And here I have the options for VPS hosting. Of course, VPS hosting is not free since you get like your own dedicated server. So here you can go through the plans, and if we go ahead and look at the specs here, you see that they are similar to the specs of a PC. So you get a CPU, which is a processor, you get RAM storage, you get NVMe disk space, which is like a fast storage, a fast local storage, and you get 4 terabytes bandwidth and weekly backups. Of course, as you go up, you get more CPU cores for better performance. Of course, the more CPU cores, the better the performance, and more RAM, more disk storage, more bandwidth, and others. And here you can select the plan that is best suited for your website or for your needs and subscribe to it. So let's say I select the first plan right here, and I can pay here yearly, I can pay monthly, or every 2 years. And if I complete the payment, I can now have my own hosting or VPS server for my website.